Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for West Valley City homeowners. With cold, snowy winters and warm, dry summers, high-performance windows help maintain indoor comfort while reducing heating and cooling costs. But like any major home upgrade, keeping your windows performing at their best requires proper long-term maintenance. The good news? Modern energy-efficient windows are designed for durability and low upkeep. With a few simple maintenance habits, you can extend their lifespan and protect your investment for decades. Why maintenance matters in West Valley City. West Valley City's climate brings seasonal challenges. Winter snow, ice, and freezing temperatures can stress seals and frames, while summer heat and sun exposure can affect materials over time. Without proper care, even energy-efficient windows may experience seal deterioration, reduced insulation performance, drafts and air leaks, frame discoloration, or where routine maintenance ensures your windows continue delivering maximum efficiency year-round. Keep frames clean and clear. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on window frames and tracks. Over time, buildup may interfere with proper sealing or smooth operation. For vinyl or fiberglass frames, clean with mild soap and water. Avoid abrasive cleaners that could damage finishes. Wipe down frames at least twice per year in winter. Check that snow and ice do not accumulate along the sill. Excess moisture sitting against the frame can impact long-term durability. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a key role in energy efficiency. It creates a tight seal when the window is closed, preventing drafts and air leaks. At least once a year, inspect weather stripping for cracks or gaps. Check for compression or wear. Replace damaged sections promptly. In West Valley City's cold winters, compromised weather stripping can significantly affect heating efficiency. Monitor for condensation. Energy-efficient windows reduce condensation, but it can still occur in extreme temperature differences. Interior condensation may indicate high indoor humidity levels. To minimize moisture issues, use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms. Maintain balanced indoor humidity levels. Ensure proper ventilation. Persistent condensation between glass panes may indicate seal failure, which should be addressed promptly by a professional. Check caulking and exterior seals. Exterior caulking around the window frame protects against moisture infiltration. Seasonal temperature swings in West Valley City can cause caulk to expand and contract, eventually leading to cracks. Inspect exterior seals annually and reapply caulk where gaps appear. Ensure flashing remains intact. Address minor issues before they become larger problems. Proper sealing prevents water damage and preserves insulation performance. Clean the glass properly. Maintaining clear, clean glass not only improves appearance but also protects coatings such as low-E finishes. Use non-ammonia-based glass cleaners, soft microfiber cloths, gentle wiping techniques. Avoid razor blades or harsh scrubbing tools that could scratch the surface. Test window operation for operable energy-efficient windows, such as double-hung or casement styles. Smooth operation is essential for maintaining seals. Periodically, open and close windows. Fully check locking mechanisms. Lubricate hardware if recommended by the manufacturer. Ensuring proper alignment protects compression seals and prevents air leaks. Schedule professional inspections. While routine homeowner maintenance goes a long way, professional inspections every few years can catch hidden issues early. An expert can evaluate seal integrity, check insulation performance, confirm structural alignment, identify early signs of wear. This proactive approach helps maximize the lifespan of your energy-efficient windows. Protecting your long-term investment. Energy-efficient windows are built to last 20 years or more, often much longer, when properly maintained. In West Valley City, where weather extremes test home materials, regular care ensures consistent performance. By cleaning frames, inspecting seals, monitoring condensation, and addressing small issues early, you'll preserve both energy savings and comfort. With just a little ongoing attention, your energy-efficient windows will continue protecting your West Valley City home, reducing utility bills, and enhancing comfort season after season.